complex project management presentation marking scheme. Introduction. Outline the purpose of the presentation together with an overview of the content. List 3 learning outcomes you gained from the unit. List 3 things that could be improved about the unit. List 3 learning outcomes gained from working in groups. List 2 problems issues experienced in your group and explain how these problems issues were addressed. Conclusion. Provide a conclusion including overviewing the key points of the presentation including a final summing up sentence. The overall standard of written material. To what extent were the written responses couched in a clear, concise and coherent manner? What was the level of the grammatical expression including spelling,